Are you still wrestling with a vacuum that feels like you're dragging a small car around your living room? What if cleaning your floors could actually be easy? Today, I am diving deep into a topic that's a real backsaver. Literally. I am on the hunt for the best lightweight vacuum cleaner. Now, I know what you're thinking. Lightweight just means no power, right? Well, that's the myth I am here to bust. I'm going to count down my top 6 picks from a couple of, well, let's say decent options, all the way to the one that absolutely blew me away.
6. Shark HV322 Rocket Deluxe Pro. Shark is a huge name in the vacuum world, and the Rocket Deluxe Pro definitely has that signature Shark look and feel. It's a corded stick vacuum, which right away tells you a couple of things. 1, you're never going to run out of power mid-clean, which is a definite plus. And 2, you're going to be doing the classic cord tango, switching outlets as you move from room to room. When I first unboxed it, I was pretty impressed. It feels solid, not flimsy, and at under 9 pounds, it's certainly manageable. It converts easily into a handheld vacuum, which is super convenient for cleaning stairs or getting into the corners of the couch. The LED headlights on the floor head are also a feature I genuinely appreciate. You'd be horrified to see what's lurking under your furniture when you have a good light showing you the way. It's a real eye-opener. On hardwood floors, the performance is pretty solid. It picks up surface-level debris without much fuss, the suction feels consistent, and it transitions from a stick vac to a handheld with a simple click, which is great for those quick cleanups. For pet owners, it comes with a bunch of attachments that are specifically designed for pet hair, and they do a decent job of pulling fur off upholstery. The dust cup is also a decent size, so you're not running to the trash can every 5 minutes. Number 5. AlloyMove Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This one caught my eye because it boasts some seriously impressive stats on paper. A 550-watt motor, 45 kPa suction power, and up to 70 minutes of runtime. For a cordless vacuum, those are fighting words. It looks sleek, it feels futuristic with its LED screen, and the promise of a cordless life is always tempting. Right out of the box, the AlloyMove is incredibly lightweight. It's the kind of vacuum you can easily carry up and downstairs with one hand. Assembly is a breeze, and it comes with a handy wall mount for storage and charging. I really liked the dual handle design, which gives you a couple of different ways to grip it, making it comfortable to use. The LED screen is a nice touch, clearly showing your selected power mode and the remaining battery life, so you're never caught by surprise when it dies. The cleaning performance, I have to say, is pretty impressive for a cordless model in this price range. On both hard floors and low-pile carpets, it did a fantastic job of picking up dust, crumbs, and even stubborn pet hair. The anti-tangle brush head actually works, which is a relief for anyone who's ever had to perform surgery on a vacuum roller with a pair of scissors. The different suction modes are useful, allowing you to conserve battery on hard floors and then ramp up the power for your rugs. 4. LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. LEVOIT is a brand I mostly associate with air purifiers, so I was really curious to see how their vacuum would stack up. And I've got to say, I was pleasantly surprised. This vacuum feels like a solid, no-nonsense machine that gets the job done without a lot of unnecessary fanfare. It's a great middle-of-the-road option that balances performance and price really well. The first thing you'll notice about the LEVOIT is how light and nimble it is. Maneuvering around furniture is an absolute dream. It feels incredibly well balanced in the hand, and it can even stand up on its own, which is a small feature that makes a huge difference. You don't have to lean it against something or lay it down when you need to pause to move a chair. The design is simple and functional, with an easy-to-read screen and intuitive controls. When it comes to cleaning, the LEVOIT really shines on hard floors and low-pile rugs. The suction is consistent and strong enough for daily cleaning tasks. What really impressed me was its edge cleaning capabilities. It gets right up against the baseboards, leaving no line of dust behind.
The anti-tangle brush head also does a commendable job, especially with long human hair, which is the ultimate test for any vacuum roller. The filtration system is another highlight. It has a 5-stage system that captures 99.9% of fine dust particles, so the air in your home actually feels cleaner after you vacuum.
3. Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This is a bit of a throwback because it's a corded bagless upright, but don't let that fool you. Eureka has packed an incredible amount of power into a machine that weighs just 10 pounds. If you're looking for raw, deep cleaning power without the weight, this is a vacuum you need to pay attention to. Let me explain. The first time I used the Eureka Power Speed, I was genuinely shocked by what it pulled out of my area rug, a rug I thought was already clean. The suction on this thing is, well, it's intense. It uses something called cyclonic technology to maintain powerful suction from start to finish. It has 5 different height adjustment settings, so you can easily switch from hardwood floors to shag carpets and get the optimal level of cleaning for each surface. This vacuum is an absolute beast on pet hair. It digs deep into carpet fibers and upholstery to pull out every last strand. The extra-large 2.6-liter dust cup is another huge advantage. I was able to vacuum my entire house without having to stop and empty it once. The onboard tools like the crevice tool and dusting brush are stored right on the vacuum, so they're always within reach when you need them. Despite being a corded upright, it's surprisingly easy to push and pull. The wheels glide smoothly, and at only 10 pounds, it doesn't feel like a workout to use.
Number 2, Trucozie Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum took everything I liked about the other cordless models and just did it better. It's powerful, it's incredibly user-friendly, and it has a few key features that make it stand out from the crowd in a big way. It's the perfect blend of power, convenience, and smart design. The standout feature of the Trucozie is its self-standing design. I know I mentioned this with the LEVOIT, but it's worth repeating because it's such a game changer for usability. Being able to just let go of the vacuum and have it stand upright on its own, wherever you are, is a luxury you don't know you need until you have it. It's also incredibly lightweight, weighing less than 4.5 pounds, making it effortless to carry and maneuver. But it's not just about convenience. The performance is top-notch. It has 3 power modes and provides a runtime of up to 50 minutes, which is more than enough for most homes. The suction is strong and consistent, easily picking up everything from fine dust to larger debris. I was particularly impressed with its green LED headlights. The green light provides better contrast than a standard white light, making it incredibly easy to see dust and pet hair on hard floors that you would otherwise miss. The 6-layer advanced filtration system is another huge plus, capturing 99.7% of microdust particles and ensuring the air it expels is clean. This is fantastic for anyone with allergies.
1. Avalsor Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum is, in a word, exceptional. It combines a powerful 550W brushless motor with an intelligent design and a long-lasting battery to create a cleaning experience that is second to none in the lightweight category. From the moment you start using the Avalsor, you can feel the difference. The suction is immense, 45,000 pascals to be exact, which puts it on par with some corded models. It deep cleans carpets in a way that no other cordless vacuum on this list could quite manage, pulling up dirt you didn't even know was there. And on hard floors, it's flawless, picking up every speck of dust and debris. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush is the best I've tested, completely preventing hair from wrapping around the roller. What truly sets the Avalsor apart is its smart OLED touchscreen. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a command center that gives you real-time information about the battery life, the suction modes, and even maintenance alerts. It allows you to switch between 3 different suction modes with a simple touch, so you always have the perfect amount of power for the job at hand. It makes the whole experience feel more intuitive and controlled. The battery life is another major win, offering up to 65 minutes of runtime on a single charge. That's enough to clean a large home from top to bottom without worrying about running out of juice. And despite all this power and technology, it's still incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. Final thought. So, there you have it, my top 6 lightweight vacuums, from the good to the absolute best. I hope this countdown helps you cut through the noise and find the perfect cleaning companion for your home. All the products are linked in the description below if you want to check them out for yourself. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.